In today's video, I'm going to teach you make a professional website as a beginner. We'll build confidently in Webflow from your first login to publishing a polished site you can share. I'll explain each step and add a few practical tips so you feel at home in the designer. Start by heading to webflow.com and logging in. You'll land on your dashboard, which is your home base for projects and account management. From your account menu, open Workspaces. You'll see your current workspace, along with your role, team size, and how many sites you have. If you plan to separate personal work from client projects, you can create a new workspace, but sticking with the default is perfectly fine when you're starting out. Next, set up your account profile. In Account Settings, select Create a Profile. Upload a square avatar up to 256 by 256 pixels so your projects are easy to identify. Add your name and a username, then save. For safety, consider adding a secondary email for recovery and turn on two-factor authentication under Security. While you're here, adjust your email and notification preferences, like announcements, newsletters, billing, and the Made in Webflow digest, so you only get what's useful to you. Back on the dashboard, click New Project. Choose either a blank canvas or start from a template if you want a head start on layout and design. Name your project and assign it to the workspace you want. By the way, I've placed the link to Webflow right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly. Inside the Webflow Designer, you'll use a few core panels. The navigator shows the structure of your page, which is helpful for organizing sections and elements. The Add panel lets you drag in sections, div blocks, images, and buttons. The Style panel is where you set typography, colors, spacing, and layout. Use the Pages panel to manage multiple pages, and the Assets panel to upload images, videos, and other media. Begin by laying out sections for your header, hero, services, about, and footer. Drag and drop elements, then style them consistently to keep your design professional. To add life to your site, open the Interactions panel and create simple effects like a fade-in on scroll or a button hover animation. Use Preview mode to test how everything feels without publishing. Make your site responsive by switching between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Adjust text sizes, spacing, and layout so everything reads well and feels balanced on each screen size. When you're ready, click Publish in the top right. You can use a Webflow subdomain or connect a custom domain, and just like that, your site is live. If you want reusable pieces, explore libraries and templates. Share components in your workspace or browse the marketplace to import pre-made elements. That's it. You now know how to create a professional website in Webflow from scratch. Explore more features like CMS collections, dynamic content, and e-commerce as you get comfortable. Thanks for watching.